Around it, just water or stores and stuff. Really sleep.
Take her picture of her while she sleep.
Take a So, y'all, we are about to walk the boardwalk down North Carolina with my sister, mom, daughter, and brother-in-law. We're about to walk the boardwalk. It's really pretty in North Carolina. Really pretty.
Hold it.
Y'all didn't see the drip. I really wanted y'all to see him without the jacket because he looks good. He put the fit together, y'all. We're going to show y'all. Okay. Stop walking. Because he really put this together. Yeah.
I ain't really all that. You get what I'm saying? Look at that, though.
Y'all,
nice
this hotel, my sister used to work at this hotel. It's gorgeous. That's not even the front of it, you guys.
It's nice, though. Like, the water rate, everything really be nice. You know the water rate be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get you. She got a skateboard.
Did y'all see my pic today?
Man, this ain't nothing. You know,
I got on my Uggs. My baby bought me with my Michael Kors.
She ain't complete the fit. She ain't got the hat on, the Ugg gloves. The fit phony for real.
How you gonna call my fit phony?
Because you ain't completed, babe.
Boy,
We going to the water?
we going to Hotel Valley 45 feet.
Huh?
We going to find the dog. They got a bag from the lobby.
We going in the belly.
Yeah, they do.
We're going to the belly.
I'll show you where it's at. Oh my God, I took care of my phone. Dude, that's stupid shit. Why would you walk on it then? Right. I don't know. But I got my fall. I want to get on it. I'm so scared I'm going to fall. Let me walk. Now, how do we get in? We go up the step. Get this. Get it.
I already got it.
Yeah, they lead the way.
Like a million times.
Like, this is my sister's job. This is my sister's old job. Now, does she still work here? This is my sister's job, y'all. Oh, I need to go to the ATM. I can't run with Uggs on. I will fall. Okay, I like it. Check the tree. Come on. You ever saw the river? Feel fake.
Dang.
Sounds like they get the calls up the steps, though.
What steps? Is you crazy? Your mother just drove the car up the front.
Oh, she did? Yeah, you
Yes.
drove it. Oh, you drove through it. Oh. Just to like. Yeah, there you go. I'm looking on that. Deja, you already got cute. Guys,
already on it.
Get me. My sister real funny talking about she done made a YouTube and all that and they ain't even trying to get on camera. Ain't she crazy? He said, let him fix the drip before he show y'all. Y'all, we is in North Carolina, turning up with my big sis. Check it out. Oh yeah, he ain't sick. He said he didn't want to show y'all the drip yet. I'm ready to go take you on the bathroom real quick. Oh, because y'all ready to come with me. All right. Dang, y'all. What the 8-ball jack is? You a trapper or a rapper? Keyboard baby.
Crazy.
She said, "Give me real quick, Don."
It's like that. I'm playing.
This is the first time we ever vlogged in a little sleep. Get my baby. Swamp. Now we ready to go see Wolf.
You stuff cool.
Yeah, you could have stayed in that house.
Oh, I'm fat. Funny.
Ooh, look how big. Is that a bed? Is that a bed?
What is that?
Come on, baby. Pool close at 10 o'clock.
Oh, we getting in the pool. You got that vlog too.
They used to work over there and host
Damn.
people that stand.
Who pool?
The hotel.
And we could have stayed at this one, but my mother.
Hey, Don. How deep is it? That's it? What the hell?
You like the palm trees, babe?
Yeah, they nice.
Oh, wow. Look at this scenery. Oh, that's just beautiful. Ooh,
Like something off a movie.
yeah. Look at that bed and shit. What you say, Chris? It's like something off a movie.
Yeah,
Wait, get the board up and bro. Get the top. Get the name of it.
I got it.
Ooh, I'm-
Right, you all learn about me. What about
Oh,
gonna do?
it's so pretty. Isn't it right up? Look at the bridge Chris was talking about.
Oh, snap. There's water right there.
Yeah, that's the ocean. That's
Oh,
part of the Atlantic Ocean.
how deep this is, Don?
That's the Cape Fear River. I think in this part's like,
Oh, they don't go to
10
sleep.
feet.
Never.
That's it?
She gonna sleep.
it's still in the shallow part.
Look over there.
It gotta be like 20 feet.
It gets deeper, but this is where like all the ships come in the dock and to drop off their produce and everything.
You want to cook? Don't got this. Someone's water right there.
Now, Leah will not wake up because she is still asleep. She would love to see this water too. Oh, look at that moon set right there. Y'all, this is so beautiful.
We saw this every day.
Get my whole foot.
Look at all this.
I'm all done. We can either.
So what's around it? Just water? Or stores and stuff? Really sleep.
Take her a picture of her while she sleep.
Take a picture.
I just... Babe, this view... School bag son? This view look... Man... This picture be look crazy. Let me tell you. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to put my coat on.
Is that a ship over there? Not it's the battleship.
The what?
That's the battleship.
Wow.
That started wars and stuff back in the day. The battleship. Where they be like going into battle in the water. That's a battleship. The Navy used this stuff.
Yeah,
How old is
it's
it?
a museum now. I think it docked here like the 70s. hasn't moved since.
She not. What's your favorite?
She said a bunch of people died in this here water.
They did for the war.
From the war.
Civil War.
That's the battleship right there.
The little essence really sleep.
Sky Bridge.
Huh?
Oh, that is
Dang.
pretty. Look at that little bridge going across the hotel.
It's a place right there.
It's outside going across the outside.
So you can touch the outside?
You can?
Yeah. There's no.
Window.
No window up there.
Yeah.
God.
Where was your man live?
Well, we came from where Deja Donna worked at. Where them steps was at.
Damn, we're at a nice hotel.
Hell no, I wore back. Give it to Donald.
Donald gave it back.
He did.
Yeah, they kept it for a while.
Next time we bringing a stroller.
God, I don't know what the hell.
Oh God.
My mother had that stuff.
I think the history of the
is,
battleship, Chris, you might want to record that. It is.
The grand statewide effort to commemorate World War II was completed in 1961 when the battleship of North Carolina was found a permanent berth on the west side of the Cape Fear River. And that's it right
It
there.
don't look deep because these poles don't look that tall. I give it about like
Grand statewide.
damn baby. I don't know what kind of college is
Help save us.
she can walk.
That's cool. All right, but got 5 minutes. I hold the everybody. She too heavy.
For real.
They don't sell strollers.
Let me know when you're ready to get back.
Dollar General might got it.
Oh. Babe, I just got this.
I know that's good.
That's gonna be the
Oh,
intro.
look and take that picture right there. Oh, much take her picture.
This a whole video. She can see everything.
She helped me.
All this film, you on video, so you got everything. I'm filming the whole thing.
I know.
You gonna post it?
There's a lot of history.
What's
in
that?
this
What's
hotel.
that?
Military Memorial.
What's that for?
Don't stand on that thing.
Men and women that died.
Armed forces of the United
So wait, they in there or?
No.
Oh.
Nigga said, is they in there?
Well, they not in there.
It's like the people who served in like the Iraq War, the Vietnam War, the people who gave up their lives.
Look
for
at
the
this.
freedom of
For
our
their
country.
respect, yeah. Still touching the real one.
It feel like just
Don't it
feel
feel
like
fake?
It feel like they put it right there.
No, it's real.
That's my first time feeling a palm tree, but I really want to go to Las Vegas and feel some real palm
No, I
trees.
want to feel a
But I
cactus.
don't like airplanes. You know?
I want to feel a cactus.
If it ain't no way I can't drive to, I won't be going there for a long.
We're going to change that really soon because I love to travel, so he going to be catching flights.
I just can't. Like, it's just,
Look at them up there.
I just don't like the airplane.
That's going to change really soon, like I said, because we're going to be catching flights. All right, I'm going to see you when we get up here to these beautiful stores.
I know they call it pumping up that burger.
Ooh, I feel ice cream
Oh, they got a Atkins.
You guys. Yo, look at that tree. They still got the trees.
Y'all want something out of here? Well, I only got a car. I don't got no cash.
I don't want no apple.
I'm good.
We could go in there and look. You want to go in there?
I'm
We can't go in there.
It's in order here and then pick up here.
Oh, so no.
Yeah. We got caramel popcorn.
Everything closed at 6 o'clock.
That green tree is nice. Can get a picture.
I want that in my room.
Everything's closed.
They said it's 6. They said everything closed at 6.
Yeah, let's see what's in here. I can't see my glasses closed up.
Why you doing this? Oh, get over the mask. You outside.
God, it's a light road somewhere.
Oh.
Daisy, is a train station somewhere?
Wait, sir. What you hearing?
It smell like piss.
That's just
Where
homeless.
the subway at?
Ain't no subway in here?
So how you catch the train last time?
The Amtrak.
Oh. Walk on.
Something we don't have in Baltimore.
Look at the airplane. Airplane low and low. Babe, hold on, get me real quick, babe. Look, everybody I walk past, tell them what they be saying about this.
Everybody we walk past, yo. So that's an 8 jacket? That's an 8-ball jacket?
They said that's an 8-ball jacket?
Slick. You's a slick fella. Everybody know these jackets, even down North Carolina.
I'm drinking with old. They used to wear this back in the day. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Well,
They used to wear this back in the day. Look, I got the troopers on.